Working with my daughter has been really fun. We are definitely in two totally different departments. I'm in the foreign language, she teaches business.
One of the biggest blessings of my life is being able to spend so much time with her.
So it's been great because I know I can count on her. So I think another way she's really helped is with technology. I used to panic when I didn't understand something. Now I can run to Sophia and she helps me with anything that's technology related.
She's been an incredible mentor to me throughout my journey, getting my teacher certification as well as the first few years of being a new teacher. She's helped me kind of develop confidence while watching her and seeing how she teaches and using that as kind of stepping stones for me. We do a lot together. We kind of help each other out in a lot of different ways, and ultimately we just get to spend time together, which is great.
All of a sudden you go from a mom to a colleague, and seeing her really excel and do well in her job has been very encouraging. I've enjoyed seeing that.
I feel like this campus, especially, everyone is kind of a family, so I just have the unique aspect of having blood family as well. So it's definitely brought us closer.
We're just close as a campus, and people are very encouraging. Our administrators are very encouraging. People ask me if I'm ready to retire, and my response is no, I love my job. I love coming here, I love the people.
I wanted to come work in Mansfield, specifically Ben Barber, and I don't want to go anywhere else because I know it's a unique type of environment, and everyone truly supports each other and treats each other like family. Whenever something bad happens, whenever something good happens, it really is just a big community.
Mansfield, we are one family.
Perfect. Do you want to say it in German?
Oh, good idea.
Hallo Mansfield, wir sind eine große Familie.
That's awesome. Perfect.